Hello friends, welcome back to the iSunshare channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix iOS 1.8 update not showing up on iPhone. Way 1. Get enough storage space for your iPhone update. Tap Settings. Tap General. Tap iPhone Storage. Okay, you can see all apps here. You can choose to delete the unused app. In this way, more available space is released for your iPhone update. Way to update iPhone in minutes with iSunshare iOS Repair Genius. iSunshare iOS Repair Genius is a reliable iOS system recovery software to fix all iOS issues in minutes. It also supports iOS upgrades and downgrades. Download it from iSunshare.com. After installing the software on your computer, you can open the software instantly. Choose System Repair on the left side. Click Standard Mode to continue. Click Start. Then connect your iPhone to the computer. Click Next on the software. OK, the software detects your iPhone successfully. You are asked to download the firmware package. Click Download to go ahead. Minutes later, click Repair. Then your iPhone will restart and update to the newest version without losing data. That's all for the video.